Okay, we're cooking bananas on the skillet. We're gonna see how they taste. I've never done this before. Sounds like a good idea. We'll see. Okay, we're gonna put a little sweetener on there. Cold Stone sweet cream. This is for coffee. I've already put a couple on there. Sweeten them up a little bit. Okay, I'm back. I got my bananas that I cooked on the skillet, and I haven't tried them yet. I've never done this before. I used this International Cold Stone sweet creamer. I poured a little bit of that over top. I did use coconut oil that I cook with a lot because it's healthy for you. The sweet cream, not so much, but who cares? Let me try a little bit. They look good, don't they? Wow, that's really good. I love these. This is something you should try at home, I believe. And I also got my green drink here, fruits and vegetables. Didn't eat breakfast yet, but we'll get to that. All right, look forward to seeing you next time. And please subscribe if you like some of my content. And don't forget to hit the like button. All right, talk to you next time.